Alright guys, I don't do too many videos, so I decided I'll throw one up, being this is my mom's car. What I have here is a 94 Eagle Vision. Had to get towed in last night. And I tested the fuses. This one right here is for the fuel pump. This one right here is for the instrument gauges. I took hot wire, brought it into the fuel pump, and I turn the key on and it gives me that. If I reach down here, unplug the fuse that I brought power to, I lose all my dash lights. But I plug this, reach down in here, plug that fuse back in, jump to my power over there, and she fires right up. You reach down here, engine shuts off. Bad ignition switch. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.